Finalizing an online purchase can be an intimidating prospect for some users. When the next step of checkout is unclear after entering payment details, users often pause or stop, unsure if they need to verify critical order information before proceeding. Let's explore how to fix this problem. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 586 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Use Precise Primary Button Microcopy that clarifies if a credit card order will be finalized at the payment step. Through multiple rounds of checkout testing on desktop and mobile, users became hesitant to proceed after entering their credit card information. They wanted reassurance that clicking a primary button would lead to a separate review step where they could confirm their order details. Ambiguous labeling of primary buttons makes it hard for users to predict what will occur on subsequent steps. For example, this user checking out on Amazon Whole Foods hesitated to continue to the next step after selecting a credit card payment method, afraid that he would be charged before being able to review his order. This user checking out on Uber Eats was unsure if the next page would be an order confirmation. In fact, the following step, prior to submitting an order, was the step to tip the delivery driver. To reassure users and set clear expectations, the primary button microcopy on the payment step should clearly indicate what happens next. In testing, users felt more comfortable proceeding when the button text accurately reflected the next step, such as "Continue to review" for verifying order details or "Submit order" when finalizing the purchase. This user on Etsy's mobile app easily anticipated the ability to review his order before completing his purchase, helping him feel more at ease with continuing. This user on Theo Chocolates knew to pause to verify her order details after inputting payment information because the primary button microcopy let her know that moving forward would place the order. In testing, we observed two key implementation details that further enhanced users' understanding of what would happen after the payment step. In testing, adding a statement like, "Don't worry, your card won't be charged yet," next to the primary button in the payment interface reassured users and clarified what to expect. However, this explanation was less effective without clear and specific button microcopy to guide users. Visible process steps can help reassure users that clicking the primary button won't immediately finalize their order. However, testing showed that process steps alone aren't enough. Without clear button microcopy, some users may overlook them and remain uncertain about the next step. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your payment flow, including over 120 checkout guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.